Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome our new viewers, and to our returning viewers, welcome back. In today's recipe, we're going to make Jamaican style oxtail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. So to start, we're going to clean our meat. You want to wash with vinegar or lime juice or even lemon, right? So this oxtail, we have about 2 pounds of oxtail. They're very pretty, nicely sliced. This is how I like my oxtails, and it don't have a lot of fat on it, so that is good. This is how I like my oxtail, thinly sliced. I don't like the big jumbo oxtail, right? So when I go to the meat shop, I like to ensure that I get the oxtail just like this, because these are bite size, right? And I remove the fat. I don't get a lot of fat on it, so they're just right. Thinly sliced, yes. So after washing, I'm just going to season. So to season the oxtail, these are the basic ingredients that we're going to use. So I have here some salt, I have some all-purpose season, just a little bit, because we're going to be using the blended green season. The blended green season contains pimento seeds, blended sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, and you name it. It have a lot of blended vegetables, right, or blended season. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use, and we're also going to use just a little bit of browning, like about 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to add the salt, right? I'm going to add some of the all-purpose season. If you don't want to, you don't have to use the all-purpose season, because we're going to be using the blended green season. I'm also going to add the blended green season. Then we're going to massage the season in to ensure that it is well distributed. Next, I'm going to lightly drizzle some browning, not a lot, just a little bit, and massage it in. Then I'm going to cover with a cling wrap and allow it to marinate. After marinating for about 30 minutes, we're going to add the oxtails into the hot oil and allow them to fry until they are brown on both sides. Alright, so the oxtail is all done, so I'm going to remove them from the oil and add them to the cooker, and we're going to pressure for about an hour. Guys, you know, say sometimes the oxtail are very tough, so you have to pressure them for a very long time so that them can slip right off the bone, because that's how I like my oxtail, off the bone. So that's what we're going to achieve today. And I also love my oxtail with a lot of gravy, so anytime I cook my oxtail, I need a lot of gravy, please, a lot of gravy, please, extra gravy. All right, so that's what we're going to do. But if you want, you could cook yours on the stove, but what you could do is put on some kettle with some water and use the hot water to cook it down to speed up the process, right? So we just add some seasoning, we add the oxtail to the cooker, and we're going to add some water to it and allow the oxtail to pressure until it's all done. Alright, so this was after an hour, and I'm going to check to see if the oxtail is tender. And guys, as you can see, it slipped right off the bone, and that's how I'm liking it. Right, so the oxtail ready, so it's just time to simmer down and get that sauce thickened. So we're going to dump everything into the pan. Don't worry guys, don't worry, we're going to thicken that sauce so the oxtail tender and everything. So what I'm going to do now is to add some ketchup. I'm also going to add some broad bean, and then we're going to turn that flame up and thicken that sauce. You see, with the Irish and the carrots, this is very helpful when you're making your oxtail to thicken the sauce, because once the Irish potatoes are soft, they start to break off, and that will add to the gravy together with the broad bean to help thicken the sauce and give it more body. Guys, this is the part that I love. Look at that rich, thick oxtail gravy. I don't know, oxtail gravy expensive at restaurant. Look at that, thick and rich. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Look at this delicious off the bone oxtail. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment below and let us know how you like the video, and if you're watching for the first time and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.